Hello guys, welcome to the second part of Python list. So let's start the video. So in this video we will learn about 4 functions that we can implement in the list in Python. So the first function that I would tell you is the sort function. So I hope you know the meaning of sort. So basically sort means like you can arrange the elements, means you can sort the list, that is you can arrange the elements in increasing order or in decreasing order in the list. So let's say I have a list, let's say I make a list of some random values. Okay, so if I use l dot sort function, and if I see L, you will see that the L has been sorted in increasing order, that is 1 2 3 4. So this is the sort function that we can use, and the sort technique that it uses is the Tim sort, so which has a complexity of n log n. So this function can be used to sort the list, and if you want to sort the list in reverse order, we can just set a property in the sort function as true, that is the reverse property, which will help you to to make the list sorted in the decreasing order. If I print out the list and check, it's in the reverse order. I hope you got it. So this is the sort function that we can use, and I told you the sort technique it uses is the Tim sort. And next we will move on to a function known as count. So a count function, I hope you got the meaning what is a count. So basically count function helps you to return the number of occurrences of that element in the list. Like suppose I have a list, let's repeat some elements. Okay, so let's say I want to count the occurrences of 12 and it returned 4. I hope there are 4 elements, 12 12 12 12. Yeah, I hope there are 4 elements. So it returned the number of occurrences of that element, and if I type in there 4, so it will return me the number of 4s in the list. So there are 3 4s as you can see in the list. So I hope you got the meaning of what the count do in the list. So next function we will move on is a remove function, which is used to remove an element from the list. So if I use a remove, so let's suppose I want to remove a element known as, let's say I want to remove the 12. So if I remove 12 and if I check the list is now, you can see that the starting 12 has been removed. So what it does, like it removes the element, it removes the first occurrence of that element. And let's suppose if the element is not there in the list, like suppose 1 is not there in the list, and if I type in there 1, and you can see it will throw me the value error that the x is not in the list, that the element is not in the list. So that's the thing. So I told you that the remove function removes the first element, first occurrence of that element in the list, and if the element is not there, it will throw you an value error, that is the element is not present in the list. And next we will move on to a statement known as del. It's a keyword used in the Python to delete an element from the list. Let's suppose I have a list, let's make a new list with some more random values. Okay, I guess this much is fine. So if I type in there del L, let's say I told you about the indexing in the previous video. So if I type in there 0, that is L0 is the 12th element I want to delete, del L0, and check in L there, and I guess it's deleted, the 12th element is deleted. And let's type in there again, so the element that would be deleted currently, it will be 12 again. So let's say 12, and you can see the 12 has been deleted. And let's suppose I want to delete the whole list, so I can type in there del L, and it will completely eliminate the list from the memory. And if I type in there L, you will see that L is not defined, so it has completely removed the L from the memory. So this is the use of del statement. I hope you got to know how these four functions are working. So I will just quickly revise them once more. So first of all, the function is this sort, which will help you to sort the list. You can also sort the list in reverse order through this. And next is the count. You can count the occurrences of that element in the list with the help of count function. And next is the remove, in which you can remove the first occurrence of that element from the list, and if the element is not there, it will throw you an value error, that is the element is not in the list. And next is a del statement, that is you can delete directly an element from the list with the help of del space mentioning the list with the index of that element that you want to delete, and yeah, it's deleted. So I hope guys you like the video, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for more videos. So this was the Python list part 2, and I will be making more videos on Python. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.